My name is Ellie Buckeye, and I am here today with...
Hi, my name's Erica, aka Cinnamon.
I'm Taylor, aka Peppermint.
I'm Megan, aka Coco.
Who are all graduate assistants in the education program here at Frostburg. Today, Taylor, Erica, and Megan are going to be talking about Storybook Holiday and what you will see if you go. But first, tell us a little bit about what the CLC is.
So the CLC, like Ellie said, is housed in the education department here in Frostburg, and we are a nonprofit organization that is centered around literacy and promoting that in the community, where we house over 15,000 children's books, and those are open to be rented out by community members and students of Frostburg.
So what is Storybook Holiday?
So Storybook Holiday is a super fun, free community event centered around literacy in Frostburg.
How did it start, and how many years has this been happening?
So this is going to be our 19th year of Storybook Holiday, and it really started with our co-founder, Dr. Bill Bigman, and his colleague, Dr. Barbara Ornstein. They were sitting at the Princess Restaurant on Main Street here in Frostburg, and they started jotting down a bunch of ideas about Storybook Holiday on the back of a placemat. So they took their ideas to the city, and they thought it was a great idea, and from there it's grown a lot, and like I said, this is our 19th year doing Storybook Holiday.
Wow. So what does the day of look like?
So it is an all-day event for people of all ages. We start off with the Breakfast for the Elves at the Gunter Hotel, and then we go to the Elf Olympics, where we have elf volunteers participate in Minute to Win It games. And then we go to a parade where we have performances by the Mountain City Center for the Arts. And then we have Round Your Bells Off for Autism. We then have Coco with the Popo at our Frostburg Police Station. We have a performance by the Frostburg Acro and Tumbling Team. And then we have Tail Wagging Tutors where children are able to read to service dogs. We have the Elf Secret Workshop where there will be letters to Santa. Kids will be making crafts, and we'll have a photo with the elf. We then have craft vendors at Armstrong Insurance. We'll have an author who is Will Hillenbrand with his story, Santa's Story, present at the Gunter Hotel, and kids will be getting a cookie kit. And we'll have Drac Frost go through neighborhoods delivering stress balls throughout the residential streets. We'll have a tree lighting at City Place, and then we'll end it at the Palace Theater, where we'll be watching Miracle on 34th Street.
Wow, from start to finish, that is going to be a fun day. Can anyone go?
Yes.
Wow, I'll definitely be there. Thank you, Taylor, Erica, and Megan, for stopping in and talking to us about the CLC and the fun event that you guys have planned. We cannot wait to see how everything comes together, and thank you for watching.
To learn more about this event or other events the CLC has to offer, please follow us on Facebook or visit our website at frostburg.edu/CLC.